In this video, we will discuss manually turning on and off a QuietCore Plus vacuum or compressor. Note, when power is cycled to the vacuum or compressor, the unit will always turn on in remote mode. When a QuietCore Plus vacuum or compressor is in remote mode, the equipment can be turned on or off using remotely mounted push-button controls. Begin by pressing the remote button. Select Yes to disable the remote controls and place the unit in manual mode. You will now see a Start option on the home screen. Press Start to turn on the unit. To turn off the unit, press the Stop button. Then confirm you would like to turn the unit off. To re-enable the remote controls, press Remote. Then select Yes. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.